Hello everyone, this is Marsha. Again, I'm back again. And tonight I have on a half wig. It's by Vanessa and it's called La Susie. And it's the express weave. And the packaging looks like this. And so it's in a purple box. I don't have a picture of it, but I'll try to get one and post it of what the actual model looked like with it on. Y'all, and this hair is so big. It's really big. Um, I couldn't really do anything with it, so the only thing I could do is put a headband on it because it was so hard to work with. I mean, it's like huge, and I've tried to push it back in. Then y'all look how long it is, but it springs right back like Rapunzel. It's kind of like it reminds me like of Shaka Khan do or something because it's so big and so full. So I wouldn't be wearing this out the house. So this is an exclusive limited edition just for y'all. So yeah, it's all right, but no, I don't think I will wear this out the house. And y'all, I was thinking I never really did an introduction video, so y'all already know my name. I reside in Georgia. I have two children. I've been with my husband forever, seems like. Um, I'm really reserved, really laid back, um, mostly to myself. And I started doing the YouTube videos. I first started watching Atia. After I watched all her videos, then I found April, which is Muffins is my lover. She's really cool. So after that, I decided because I do my own hair, and actually I used to have my cosmetology license, and it expired like in 1997. I was kind of then I did hair, and I like to do it, but it wasn't like it is now, like my passion is for it now. So I am going to go ahead and renew it. Probably I'm thinking within a year. And my goal is to open a children's salon. What else can I tell y'all about me? Um, I have my associates in science degree of criminal justice administration. Y'all know I'm into the Mary Kay thing, and actually I've been using the products for a while, like the basic skincare, and someone, kept getting at me to actually, come on in and start. And since I like the makeup and stuff, I figured, okay, why not? So I do like all the products. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing the gingerbread limited edition lipstick, and it's cute. And I can't remember the eye color I have on. So, and what else can I tell you? And I'm into real estate. So, look, I'm trying to do some of everything. So that's really why I started doing this channel. And then I've always been like into hair and not really too much makeup. I just basically got into like the eyeshadows and stuff. Normally I used to do only lip gloss. That was it. Lip gloss and eyeliner maybe. So now I'm having fun with it, and I love doing what I do. Um, what else can I tell you? I think that's it. But I enjoy doing the videos for you, and I really enjoy you watching the videos. And y'all know effective September 30th, I stated that I had 53 subscribers, which is awesome. But now we have 71. So that's 18 in like 14 days. So I'm really excited about that. So welcome newbies. And if you have any other questions or anything, just send me a message and I do respond back. And I'm trying to think. I think that's about all I can tell y'all about me. And one more thing, y'all didn't let me know what y'all wanted to do about the contest. So let me know, because look, the 31st is coming soon, so we'll only have a few days. Um, and y'all did respond to the video of the wig that I did. I think it was the Felicia straight wig. But y'all didn't say anything about the contest. So let me know if y'all want to just keep it like it is with the drawings, and I just pick a name and send out a gift. Um, so let me know. But again, thank all of you for subscribing to me. I really do appreciate it. I'm always here, look, to answer you. I mean, look, some way or form, I do get back immediately. So thank you for watching, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye bye.